Welcome to Oilfield Inside TV. Today's topic is top drive in oilfield drilling rigs. Some rigs uses a top drive system to rotate the drill string and a bit. A top drive has a powerful motor or motors and a drive shaft. The crew attaches the drill string to drive shaft. When the motor rotates the drive shaft, the attached drill string and a bit also rotates. Crew members attaches the top drive to guide rails or tracks, which keeps the whole unit from rotating. With a top drive, the rotary table does not rotate the drill string. The most important benefit of a top drive is that it reduces the drilling time. It also rotates the drill string more efficiently than a Kelly and a rotary table system. Further, it handles the stands of a pipes more efficiently. A top drive system provides more variable rotating power than a rotary table. It allows drill string rotation and a circulation at any point in the hole. When tripping in, drilling or tripping out, these features will help prevent hole problems. It provides rapid response to well kicks during tripping or running casing. The driller can make up and remotely shut the built-in IBUP to stop drill string flow faster than a crew can set slips, stab and close a fully opening safety valve. In highly deviated holes, it helps prevent the pipe from getting stuck by allowing the driller to immediately ream or back ream the drill stem. If the crew can make up 3 joint strands of pipe before drilling starts, a top drive can drill triple strand instead of just one joint, as is necessary on a Kelly drive rig. Making up 3 joints stands, it reduces the number of connections required to 1/3. In many cases, on large offshore rigs, the crew member no longer needs to lay down pipe between wells. That is, the crew can set stands back vertically in the derrick, and the rig can be moved a short distance without the pipe being laid down. Top drive has a few disadvantages. They are more expensive to maintain and they are very large. Because of the additional weight, the rig's drilling line wears faster. They are more difficult to move on land rigs that must be disassembled. A top drive does not use a Kelly or the rotating components of the rotary table. The top drive includes a traveling block and an integrated swivel. The rotary hose conducts drilling mud to the integrated swivel via an S-shaped assembly. A passage inside the swivel drive shaft directs mud into the drill string. The top drive motor connects to the traveling equipment of integrated swivel assembly. Drive motor horsepower ranges from 600 up to 2100 or 420 to 1500 kilowatts. The motor turns the main drive shaft through a gearbox or transmission. Crew members make up a saver sub on the bottom of the drive shaft and make up the drill string into the saver sub. The saver sub cuts down on wear and tear to the drive shaft's thread. Top drives has hoisting capabilities ranging from 350 to 750 tons or 315 to 680 metric tons. Guide tracks or rails in the mast keep the top drive unit from rotating as the motor and the drive shaft assembly turns the drill string. The top drive dolly assembly moves up or down on the guide rails. Surface loops, which are bundled cables and hoses, transfer the required electric, pneumatic and hydraulic power between the mast, standpipes and the junction boxes located on the top drive. The top drive unit also includes a pipe handler assembly that has an upper inside blowout preventer, IBUP, a lower IBUP and a torque wrench. The torque wrench makes up or connects and breaks out or disconnects joints of a drill pipe. The driller controls the top drive's operation from the console. The pipe handler assembly also includes the links, an elevator and an automated link tilt assembly. The driller activates the link tilt assembly to position the links and elevator at the mouse hole for picking up or laying down drill pipe. The link tilt assembly also assists the derrickman in racking stands. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do like, comment and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.